Yeah.
Hey you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is roxytyrell, Mad Bad Gal roxytyrell. And if it's your first time stopping here, I want to say hey, go ahead and subscribe and join my crazy family. If you're a returning subscriber, what's poppin' sis? Thank you guys for tuning in. Today, as you can see, I'm representing for the #1 country in the world. But yeah, so growing up back home, we have a variety of snacks. Okay, no, I haven't tasted some of these items in a long while, so I don't know how my taste bud finna react to them, but we finna see today, boo. So yeah, go ahead, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will let you guys know where I got the items from, so stay tuned for that, y'all. Without further ado, and with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this video. So my backdrop is kind of crooked right now. Don't pay that no mind. Okay, we finna get through this video, okay? I just wanted to put my Jamaican flag in the background, and that's what we did. So the first thing we're gonna try is Snackable. It's a crackers. It's a cheesy flavor crackers. Has nacho cheese in it. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this. This is what it looks like. Okay, it tastes just as though I remember. Snackables, boy, I used to love these. So the next thing we're gonna try is Cornados. It's a crunchy corn cone. I remember these, but I have never tasted the barbecue flavor. Yeah, we're just gonna jump right in. Okay, you guys, so this is what Cornados look like. The barbecue flavor tastes good, actually. Surprisingly. Hold on. Tastes really good. I like it. I've never tried a barbecue flavor. So the next thing we're going to try is Bigfoot. No, I can't. So when I went to Jamaica, I don't know, last year or the year before, I eat Bigfoot, but I don't remember how it tastes, honestly. I know it tastes good. So the snack actually looked like a feet. Tastes garlicky. I don't remember it tasting like that, but it tastes good. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna try is tigers. Lord God, who no like tigers? Who no like tigers? If you don't like tigers, me no like you. Ooh, and they had this, so them normally have tigers and them have this red bar. I don't remember my red bar name, but I couldn't find it on the website if I did ever find it. So the tigers is like a tiger paw. Yeah. This nice. Bad. Like, living in America, you can't have the luxury if you have them something, yeah? God, man. Tigers, nice. So the next thing we're gonna try is Cheesies. No, I remember, like, I could not eat a whole pack of this. I have to share it because it's eating so much Cheesies. You get clyding, like, for real. Like, what? So, I'm gonna try it. This, nice. One got me eye. That nice. Yes, tigers. So I did get one pack of vanilla Lasco. I'm not gonna really taste the Lasco. Nor the Milo. Me not really, me and dairy not really friend. And me not want to upset my stomach right now. So I'll later date. The next thing we have is St. Mary banana chips. Who wanna like banana chips? Wanna go on here? Banana chips taste stale. November 3rd, 2020. It tastes stale. But the banana chips nice. Ooh, my favorite banana chips of all time is the Nicely banana chips. That nice and salty. This used to be my favorite banana chips, but then I'll make it with a little sodium on again. So the next thing I'm gonna try is peanut cake. So it's a lot of sugar in there, and it's just like it's peanut, and they make it. Then just call it peanut cake. I don't know how to explain it. You understand? It's nice. Peanut with whole of sugar. It don't taste like. So it's actual peanut with sugar. This nice. Bye. I need some water. Too much sweet, not good for your mama pearl. Okay. This nice, buy me. I carry this with me at work tonight. So much water I drink after having just a tiny piece of that. So the next thing I'm going to try is called Police Button. It's a cookie. This is what it looks like. It's tough. Some of them soft, but some of them tough. I don't know why or how, but my business is nice. I bite my mouth, like got me, I get fat. Okay guys, so the next thing me gonna eat is Bobby. It's a chocolate. The name Bobby. So this, let me tell you one little story. There's a peanut in this. I remember. So let me tell you this. My grandmother used to eat them, and me used to watch her eat them, and she suck out the chocolate out of them and give me nephew. Nian, you me attack. Simon used to give them just to suck it off. Peanut, and him used to name them. My grandmother did do that to me one time, and she always give me peanuts. So I said, why she just give me peanut? Give me peanuts, so. Then one day I see the woman eat it, suck out the chocolate, because she not no teeth, you know, she not no teeth. She not no teeth, so she suck out the chocolate and give me the peanut. I say, I eat the peanut, because I never know the one next day I see her do it. I suck off the chocolate, I say, I don't want that. She call me nephew and give me nephew, and my nephew near me. And you want to hear one story for make my sister mad? My sister used to sell sweetie, right? Candy. But now I have a girl sweetie. And the girl, up to today, she asked me where the sweetie, there were the sweetie wrapper, there was the sweetie bag there. Me not answer. If you like him answer, she gonna beat me again. I said the girl run me down for about 30 minutes and I say, you know, I'm gonna give up. I just walk up to her and make she beat me. So, Jamaican people love ask people for a thing. Beg a thing. So I'm gonna try ting. So ting is grapefruit. Tastes good. Especially when it on ice and tastes good. This if you have headache, upset stomach, this bust any gas. Yeah. But me normally drink them like when you got a Jamaican restaurant or whatever. You got a local, I when you got a local China store, they sell the Jamaican international stuff. Then you can get thing. But them expensive, you see? So I had some staggerback, or y'all call it buster. Some people call it buster. Me know it as staggerback. Me never forget I staggerback when the staggerback then come. Me did get ginger biscuit. Me never forget like ginger biscuit them. Me get tea biscuit. I think me eat up the whole of the tea biscuit them. So I have some chocolate digestive. It's a cookie. Tastes good, real good. What I'm gonna show you. Okay, so it kind of broke up, but the picture on the package, that's how it looks. I have a couple of this. I'm gonna buy a lot of them. It's good. I get Toca Loco. I think this is vanilla. No? It just have different color bag. No man, that's a chocolate. It's a vanilla. I think they have strawberry. I'm taste. No, it was a strawberry TikTok material or something like that. But now I'm gonna try the Toca Loco because I already consume too much sugar in my body. I mean, I want to work at the food. So I'm gonna try coconut drops. Me used to love make drops. Me like drops with whole heap of ginger. Some people don't make them drops with whole heap of ginger. Some people make them drops tough. Hopefully them are not tough. So if you make this, you have to ox out the coconut and cut it up fine. Just boil in some water, put ginger in there. And then when it has to you put the sugar. When you get soft, put sugar in there, put some more ginger and go on and roll. Bomba, this nice here. More stuff in here, man. Whoa, that's so nice. Grace Tropical Rhythm. It's a food punch. This nice. I never know so them have them one here. I know them did have the one them in the glass bottle. I know them did have the one them in the glass bottle where you have to shake up. I use one and hold this and you know. So I try. Let's say I try to open this and can't bore it. Then put one tape over it for protection. Yeah, I got a local international store them. Them have them something here. So these are the food punch. Okay, and how they sell this on the website, they sell like 2 or 3 in a pack so you could buy, you know. This nice, you just want cool. That nice.
Not nice. The boy run like a wounded dog. Broke, you see in my car. Don't run. Baba boy, don't run. Get up like Malene. And I run like thief. Don't run. Baba boy, don't run. Me are the last man standing. Rifle shot, move. Go on to your barber shop and chill. Hey.
So this name catch. This is a chocolate. It is good, like good, y'all. But like I said, I eat too much chocolate already, but I don't really eat no more. It's like a super, like when I said this nice, bad. So Duplex, apparently them changed the packaging for Duplex. Duplex never used to have 6 in it, no remember? So it's a sandwich cookie. You drink this with some bag juice or some water. This nice bad. What else am I having there? I have some swizzle. I have supplement. So yeah, I'm gonna really do good with dairy product, but I'm gonna put this in the freezer, make it get some shaky ice, and I'm gonna drink it. Swizzle, change them packaging. This tastes good. The box used to be bigger, it look a bit wider, and same height, but it used to be a little bit wider. This is the appleberry fruit punch fruit drink. I know this nice. I think me get one Ribena too, you know. Yeah, girl. Ribena. This is so good. this full with vitamin C. This got ribena. This good. Good juice. So this is another chocolate ticket. I tried the strawberry one. That never tastes good. Me bite it and spit it out. It never tastes good. Me like the chocolate one. Me have to try chubby. And this is the banana one.
But chubby.
This nice. Oh my god, the champagne one tastes good. Just like I remember. This tastes good. Okay, let me take out some of my sugar so and the acid. Not really acidy no more and sugary. That's what I'm here for. But it tastes good still. I think I want other drink. I remember. The next thing in the bag is Tambourine. Me buy 2 of them. One done already. Yeah. But I love Tambourine bad. I found some at a Mexican store. But you know the Mexican, like they put the chili or whatever chili salt on it, and I really didn't like that. But this, you put, some people put ginger in my Tambourine. I mean, I put one of ginger in my Tambourine. I used to make it back home. But we buy at school, we used to rub it up, make it look light brown like the box right there. So from this to this, tastes good, make it look like doodle. Some people put salt in them Tambourine. I do not like that. Do have seeds in it, so be careful. So this is Tambourine ball. Then rub it up and make it in a ball. So good. You just have to check to see if anything else. I feel like one more sitting in there, man. Let's see parakeet biscuit. This right here, so parakeet biscuit, nice bad. It's cookie. I can't eat that right now. I have too much sitting on my system already. I'm gonna see my ping pong. Hey, ping pong! Oh my god, this is what it looks like. This good. So roasted peanut covered in a chocolate. It tastes so good. Okay, you guys, so these are all of the stuff I bought, like more than one quantity, so that's why so much. It look a lot of nuffish. That's how I'm in a business. What you know? But yeah, this is it for this haul. The company that I got these items from is called Jamaican Care Package. Anything you want, them have it. I believe them have Aki. I'm not sure.